If you're considering using TSheets for your business, there are some important things you need to know before making a purchase. While it's a solid choice for time tracking and employee scheduling, it's essential to understand how it compares to other accounting software in the market. Stick with me until the end, and we'll break it down. First, TSheets is known for its time tracking capabilities. Unlike some competitors, it allows employees to clock in and out from their mobile devices with ease. The software also offers real-time tracking, making it an ideal solution for businesses that need accurate labor cost tracking, especially for hourly workers. Next thing, one of the standout features is its integration with QuickBooks. If you're already using QuickBooks for your accounting, TSheets integrates seamlessly, making payroll, invoicing, and financial reporting more streamlined. However, if you're not a QuickBooks user, the integration may not be as useful for you, which could make other platforms more appealing. The third thing you should know is about pricing. TSheets offers a subscription-based model with different pricing tiers based on the number of users. For smaller teams, the cost might be a little high compared to competitors like Harvest or Clockify, which offer free versions with basic features. But if your team requires advanced features like GPS tracking, TSheets justifies its price. The fourth thing is the user interface. TSheets is designed to be simple and user-friendly, but it's not the most intuitive compared to competitors like Toggle, which has a more streamlined and modern interface. While TSheets is still easy to navigate, it can take some time to fully grasp its reporting features. Moving on, TSheets excels when it comes to mobile capabilities. Their app is feature-rich, allowing employees to clock in and out, request time off, and view their schedules on the go. However, some users have reported issues with syncing time entries across devices, which can be frustrating for teams that rely heavily on mobile apps. The sixth thing to keep in mind is its customer support. TSheets offers 24/7 support via phone, email, and live chat, which is great for businesses that need quick help. That said, some customers have mentioned that response times can vary, especially during peak hours. Next thing, TSheets allows for detailed timesheet reports, helping managers track employee hours and analyze project budgets. The flexibility here is useful, but if you need more in-depth analytics, tools like Harvest or ClockShark might offer more powerful reporting features. The eighth thing to consider is its scheduling feature. TSheets makes it easy to create and manage schedules, and it even sends automatic reminders to employees. While the scheduling feature is good, it doesn't offer as many customization options as some competitors, such as Deputy, which is a more specialized scheduling tool. Ninth thing, TSheets offers strong compliance features, including overtime tracking and breaks. This is especially beneficial for businesses in industries where labor laws are strict. But if you're running a business in a more complex environment with varying regulations, solutions like Deputy may provide more tailored compliance tools. The 10th thing you should know is that TSheets is ideal for small to medium-sized businesses. While it can scale up, larger organizations may find it lacking in some enterprise-level features, like custom workflows and advanced integrations. Next, TSheets offers a free trial, so you can test the software out before committing. This is helpful, but it's worth noting that the free trial is limited to only one user. So, if you're testing it for a larger team, you may not get the full picture of how it operates with multiple users. Lastly, TSheets is generally reliable, but as with any software, there are occasional glitches, especially when handling large amounts of data. If you're running a business that requires flawless tracking, it's something to keep in mind. So, is TSheets a good option? Yes, it offers solid features, especially for time tracking and integration with QuickBooks. But if you're looking for a more comprehensive solution with better customization and pricing, check out our recommended software that you can try for free.